Hi, today we're going to explore how to control the flow of a program using control flow statements. The theory behind this has been explained in the previous video, so let's dive into the demonstration. Let's consider a real life example. Imagine you're standing on a street deciding whether to go to the gym or head to an ice cream shop. We can try to simulate this decision using a simple Boolean variable. So for that, I'm going to first introduce a variable called is hungry, and then I will assign a value called true. By doing that, I'm going to make my decision based on this variable. If this variable is going to say true, then I will be printing I will go to the ice cream shop. Otherwise, I'll print I will go to the gym. My Boolean variable is hungry, assign it with true. In my if block, pass the variable open curly brace and close curly brace. Inside that, I putting a system out dot println. If I'm hungry, I will go to the ice cream shop. Otherwise, I'll have to go to the gym. Let's try to run this. So the program is looking for my is hungry variable. It is saying true, so it is printing I will go to the ice cream shop. But if you look at it, it's also printing I will go to the gym. So to fix this, we will have to introduce else block. So your else block will only get executed when your is hungry variable is false. So to test that, let's put assign is hungry variable to false. This time it is printing I will go to the gym. So we saw how the if block and else block is working. Let's try to add some complexity. Let's say that if I will also check if it is raining. If I'm hungry and if it is raining, then I'm going to stay back at home and eat the ice cream. If I'm only hungry, then I'm going to go to the ice cream shop. If I'm not hungry, then I'm going to go to the gym. So let me add my Boolean variable is raining. I'm going to make it as true. I'm also updating my is hungry variable to true. So this I'm making it as I will stay back at if I'm hungry. I'm going to use logical and operation. If I'm hungry and if it is raining, then I will stay back at home and eat ice cream and eat ice cream. So this statement will get executed because it is having a logical and operation. If both the conditions are true, then my first statement is going to be executed, which is I will stay at home. But what if it is not raining, but I'm still hungry? So to handle that condition, we'll have to have one more block called your else if block. So in your else if block, we can add our statement, which is I will go to the ice cream. In your else if block, check for your is hungry variable. So if I'm hungry and if it is not raining, I'm assigning is raining equal to false now. So if it is not, if I'm hungry and if it is not raining, then I will want to go to the ice cream. Let's check that. So it prints I will go to the ice cream now. But I'm hungry and it is also raining. In that case, I will want to stay at home and eat the ice cream. The only time this else block at the bottom is going to be executed is when both these statements are going to be false. That is hungry is false and is raining is false. Then the third statement will be printed and which is I will go to the gym. So this is a simple demonstration of your conditional statement in Java. Try for an example of printing even number and odd number. First 10 even number and odd number, and let me know your result in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.